Dear friends, welcome to Culinary Hub. Today I am preparing chocolate cupcake. These little packets of joy are so easy to prepare and I am using very basic ingredients. Please check the description section for the measurement and other details about the ingredients. First, I'll sift in the plain flour along with salt, baking powder and baking soda. Then I'll sift in the cocoa powder. I am using vanilla bean. I need very small quantity of it. I'll slit it open and scrape out all the seeds. You can use vanilla paste or vanilla essence. It works equally well. Then to this vanilla seeds, I'll be adding 1 egg, which is at room temperature. Then I'll be adding a little amount of brown sugar and combine it thoroughly. Once the sugar is almost dissolved, I'll add melted butter to it and mix it thoroughly. These are our wet ingredients. This I'll be adding it to the dry ingredients. Mix it with the help of a whisk and then I'll be adding lukewarm milk to it and form a smooth batter. And to activate the baking powder, I'll be adding a little amount of vinegar. This makes the cupcake pillowy soft. Once the batter is ready, I'll be putting up in the cupcake molds. And on the other hand, I have kept the oven on and preheated it to 180 degrees Celsius. I have placed the cupcake liners. I am using 4 medium size and 2 larger ones. The larger cupcakes I'll be baking in the oven for 3 minutes extra. Once I have filled up all the liners with batter, it is the time for it to go in the oven. I'll bake it for 15 plus 3 minutes. Now for the frosting, I'm whipping some cream. To this I'll be adding a little amount of caster sugar, and to prevent the cream from deflating, I'll be adding a little amount of cream of tartar and I'll continue whipping till I get soft peaks. If you want the frosting to be very stiff, you can add a teaspoon of melted gelatin. Now it is the time to fill up our piping bags with the prepared frosting. Once the piping bag is filled with the frosting, I'll place it in the refrigerator for cooling. Now it is the time to check our cupcakes. I will introduce a toothpick and if it comes out clean, the cupcakes are done. I'll allow it to cool it thoroughly before I put up the frosting. Once the frosting is done, it can be enjoyed with a cup of tea. Please click the like button for this recipe, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we post new videos. Thank you.